I was sifting through tons of technical documentation, reading like hundreds of pages, maybe over 1,000 pages, just trying to find like a part that would work. Like, why can't I find this part? Why can't I describe what I want and then some system will find it?
Chris and I were both on the autonomous robotic systems team at Boise State, and he was working on designing a power supply for the robot. And eventually he came to me saying, hey, I have this idea for this system that would help us find the parts we need so we can design these boards faster.
The time when I would say it really became a company that we really started putting time into is probably when we took a demo and we showed it to a prospective customer, and they pretty much said, hold on a second, can you go back so we can take a screenshot of what you just gave us? Because that's exactly the problem we've been trying to solve, and that output is exactly what we've been looking for.
QTex is a system that helps electronics engineers be able to design those products faster. We want to build a technology that these engineers are excited to use, something that they're not worrying or feeling bad using, but something that genuinely helps them with their work and helps them move their own products to change clean energy, clean technologies, newer technologies forward faster.
Because we're really on a mission to change the way that engineers design and build electronics hardware. And I think we have a really compelling technology foundation and product offering that we're working on that's really going to have an impact on how the built world is actually built.
So we've had a lot of big wins here in the Valley for different pitch competitions, and for us that meant a lot of social validation for the company.
It's really validating that both Oliver and I can talk clearly about the really hard technical work we're doing to a non-technical audience and communicate the value and the impact that it's having.
It was a signal from our community saying that they were supporting us in building this, and that was initial funding to help us keep moving forward.
I've done a lot of hard things in my life, and I've had to do a lot of hard things, but this is probably the hardest thing I've ever done.
Fail fast, but fail forward. There's no better place to learn something than by doing it. And while there's definitely important things to know through business and that you can be taught through those programs, it's also a lot you learn on the fly, and really having that technical knowledge to not only be able to build your product, but also a business around it. That technical part really comes into play the most. The other stuff to build around, you'll learn as you go on the fly.